Welcome to Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my video. God bless you. My lovely fans, the dream life of Juju Ekwensu and a reality. Chai, the thing hits bad oh. Hey, make una see Juju Ekwensu dream life and make una see Juju Ekwensu reality. Chai, the breakdown is just too much. A lot of you will not understand. Make una take una time to listen to this my video when I carry call give una. There are many things where they bitter Juju Ekwensu. You see Juju Ekwensu, eh? If Juju Ekwensu get the power, eh? If she get the power to buy May Edochie enemy, she will do it. But she don't have that power. She don't have it. Even if she is diabolical, she is pythonical, she is cobralistic, she don't have that power to do it. Because May Edochie pass am. Well, it's not by you having spiritual power. There are people that are protected, highly protected in the spiritual realms. She don't have that power over May Edochie. Because by the time I tell una this story, una go know the reason why Juju Ekwensu can never be happy for May Edochie. Now, this is Juju Ekwensu dream life. Now, they see the life where they live for years. So, all this life where Juju Ekwensu they live for years, thanks to May Edochie. May Edochie was the one walking. Not be me talking. Yo use the mouth talking. For those of you that are following me, I posted a video not long ago when I showed you people what you wrote about his wife, his ex-wife. He said, my hard-working, the most hard-working woman I have ever met in my whole life. That time when he write that thing, Ekwensu romance mami water, she don't already did the picture. But you still said, the most hard-working woman I've ever met in my life. And so you talking. Why this woman was busy working, you was spending the money on Efulefu, Ewu Moji. Chai, my people. You see this Juju Ekwensu dream life where they cut for a mouth, so she's not happy. She thinks as she dey live for years, so this is how it will continue. She enjoyed this life until she gave birth to her son. She still dey enjoy am. Now when she go announce herself, now this her dream life stop. Yo did everything for this woman. You see this endorsement, all na the connection of May Edochie. You believe it or not? Now May Edochie connection. May Edochie go give her husband connection. Her husband go carry the connection, go put Juju Ekwensu join. When May Edochie go ask am, say, who is this woman? He go say, it's my colleague. It's my colleague. This picture, I don't say where they take her now. May Edochie asked then. She said, you said, it's my colleague. Now my colleague, May Edochie no know wetin dey happen. Say two of them are Nicodemus. Now, let me shock you. Juju Ekwensu get car. She get car when she dey drive. Before you announce am come outside. Even after you announce am, she get one big Jeep where she dey drive. Yes. That car was a new tier rubber car. New tier rubber. Hey. My people, they say fear women. Some men do you something, you know say fear men. When some men do you something, now you go know say this life fear men. Now, Juju Ekwensu car, when you buy for her during the time when she did live her dream life. Why May Edochie was busy, working hard, saving, doing everything for the family. Oga dey waste money. Oga dey throw away money anyhow. He dey waste money. Now, May Edochie say she won't buy car. Make una dey listen o. She say she won't buy car. Her car no good again. They give her too much problem. This time, she was still married to yo. So she come talk say she won't buy car. A car they give am problem. Now her sister wey do obodo oyibo come tell am say that car na so problem. Just buy new one. Now me Edochie say no. The position where she dey now with her calculation, she no wan buy new car. Now the sister come say okay, I will help you. I will support you. Now me Edochie come say okay oh, her sister come send the money come give me Edochie. Me Edochie see the money say this kind money just to buy a new tear rubber car. No, this money go service. Una dey understand? Na so me Edochie carry that money go put for service. She come still buy second hand, but not overused, but second hand. Me Edochie was using second hand car. Yo carry Juju Ekwensu go where they sell car. Buy a car with the tear rubber, tear cellophane. Buy and give Juju Ekwensu. You buy tear rubber car, give Juju Ekwensu. Why his wife was driving a second-hand car, a used car. Now they get the point. So even after you don't introduce Juju Ekwensu say na Mama Stadike, now she be the second wife. I love all my children. I love my son. After he don't come outside using maths to talk iniquity. After he don't use the mouth talk iniquity. They saying you. After you don't come out, come use the mouth talk iniquity. Say Juju Ekwensu na his second wife, they get children, they get son together. After he don't announce Juju Ekwensu was still driving that car. She even used the car do one video when she dey sing. I'm in love. Now so she dey sing and they make yanga. She dey drive the car. They use left hand the turner. Hey, my people. Me Edochie go just dey look this woman that time. She'll say, God, I was just working hard. I just leave myself. See. You know, there are things when you see, you can't tell yourself, say, maybe I did not work hard on myself. Maybe I did not try. Maybe I not give this man what he really wants. Because Juju Ekwensu was really pressing the neck of me Edochie then. She did press me Edochie neck with every kind of evil character on social media. She go just come out. She dress. She carry that kind of car. Car where me Edochie not get. How do you want that woman to feel? If not you. You will call yourself housewife. See your car. And you're working hard. Side chick, they drive correct jeep. Her skin, they glow. She, they shine. See her finger. We are the see her now. But surprisingly, when May Edochie come put in for divorce, when they come start to they trace the whole money where una ato, and they call her una ato. When they come begin trace, when bank come begin trace, come they trace where service money, family save, where family account service money go. They come they find out, they track everything. So they come go track, say, now you buy car for Juju Ekwensu. New car, tear rubber car. Una never hear this one. Una don't hear it before. That make me say me gonna draw chair near me. They come trace that car, that money. See where you put the money. Can't trace the car. Do you know that car, they collected it from Juju Ekwensu? They collect the car from Juju Ekwensu. Hey, well, things happen. And when I tell una, say, the dream life of Juju Ekwensu and her reality started after she wanted to claim, say, now she be jelly. She snatched Bessie husband with her full chest. Come out for social media. She not even say, I snatched. Maybe that pregnancy, I don't want to remove it. It was a mistake. Okay, I hide my face. No, she come out for social media with her full chest. She chest stand like this. Tell us, say, yes, he collect the man. But that happiness did not go long for her. That's why she's bitter towards me, Edochie. That's why she's angry towards me, Edochie. The anger and bitterness in Juju Ekwensu, now from here, now all of the starts. When our dream life come begin, they fall for our very own eye. But me Edochie not come out come tell us so, because not be she the do am. Now the courts now run this matter. So they went as far as collecting Juju Ekwensu car. Because now they made Edochie family service. Now you stay by the car. Which the wife did not know. That Juju Ekwensu car, they seize am. They seize am. Hey, my people, before I continue, make I feel welcome now to my wonderful and amazing channel. This na Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my video. God bless you. And to all my wonderful and amazing subscribers, may God Almighty in heaven bless you all in Jesus' name. Inshallah. Amen. So, my lovely fans, they seize Juju Ekwensu car. Now, for inside this same matter, they can't see trace. See, say you buy plot of land for Umoji. Umoji, according to wetin they talk for that plot of land, Juju Ekwensu do the plan their evil towards me Edochie. What did they do? Juju Ekwensu say they should buy a land. Now they say you say if they buy am for Inteje, the people of Inteje, they will call me Edochie. Me Edochie don't marry you for so long. A lot of people know her in Inteje. So if you and Juju Ekwensu go buy land, they say Inteje people will tell me Edochie. Now you say no, Inteje no go good. Now they can't think of Enugu, they say Enugu no go good. So Nollywood actors and actresses, they go expose them. Now they call different places, they say no. All they because they be actor. Now you can say no. Say if you buy land for all these places, he said they go tell your wife. Now Juju Ekwensu can say me they buy for Umoji. Hey, Juju Ekwensu can say me they buy for Umoji. Now you can go take carry money. If you see land where they buy for Umoji, not be small land, oh, big acre of land, big land where they buy. Now you can carry the money, transfer the money to Juju Ekwensu papa account. Papa Juju Ekwensu can use that money to buy the land. Now that land, una know say they still seize that land. They collected the land. When the court do investigation, enter that land matter, they found out that Juju Ekwensu papa, he not even use your name buy am. Na his own name, na it a buy am. You see, say they be selfish family. When Mr. Obasi tell you, say, when Mr. Obasi tell us, say, if you marry one, you marry all, the man was not joking. He was not joking at all. Papa Juju Ekwensu carry the money, he buy the land, but he put the land for his name. But they still collect am. Because they saw where the transaction went. He did not buy it with his money. He bought it with that money that came from that account. So that land, they collect them. They collect that land. They collect a car. They freeze the mama account. They freeze the papa account. They seize some properties from her sister. Now only the brother, they don't feel cash. Juju Ekwensu brother for inside, the car where you buy for her, he sell am. So that one, they not feel recover that car from Juju Ekwensu brother. They look into his account. There was nothing in his account, talk less of to freeze. So that is the only person that was free. The rest of them, they collected everything. When Juju Ekwensu take do pele mommy for this relationship, they collected everything. Tell me how that kind of woman no go beat her. Tell me how that kind of woman no go the verse. She lost everything when she used her kpekus to gain. Because now gaining of kpekus be that you was not her husband. So all these things, now they pepper Juju Ekwensu. Now he make Juju Ekwensu the verse for me Edochie. The account of his papa and his mama where they freeze, till today they not give them. As I thought to now, so those accounts are still frozen. Because you go they carry money they give them. He was taking care of these people. The boutique when he open, now me Edochie money that he open now. Tell me one thing where this woman do. Tell me. She was just living me Edochie life. That one they call Moki the work babo the chop. May Edoshe was doing the working, Juju Ekwensu was doing the enjoyment. She was enjoying. Then May Edoshe, they try to save. She was taking care of herself. She did buy things, but she was not buying expensive things like Juju Ekwensu they buy. You carry Juju Ekwensu, they'll go shopping, they'll go restaurant, they'll go hotel. They were flazing and enjoying life on top of the sweat of May Edoshe. So it was like a dream for Juju Ekwensu. Even that Ajamashon, she don't already see herself for inside. Now I make when they pursue them, Juju Ekwensu mama go Ajamashon. You go turn around. The thing pain them. Because you tell they say the moment they come, is going to bring all the family to Lagos. Hey, may God not let us marry lazy man. Lazy man. House where your wife just they suffer, they build, they do everything. You see, they promise the woman say you go pack all her family put for the house. When your wife and your children they. That was their plan. So now make that mansion and Jamashon pain Juju Ekwensu well. Juju Ekwensu will carry car go at Jamashon. You go there for distance, you go they look inside it. You go they look the house. The thing go they pain her. Hey, what that shall never end, my lovely fans. That was how Juju Ekwensu lost everything. Even May Edoshe mama gold. You see those gold, May Edoshe mama gold. You carry some. Because if you look May Edoshe now, you notice say May Edoshe not a person they wear gold like that. Una don't notice her. She not they wear gold like that. Now Daniela they wear gold. So Daniela they carry some. All those gold they see for Daniela hand sometimes. Some now from the grandmother. But May Edoshe, she's not into jewelries like that. Especially gold. She just get her own she they wear simple one. Do you know that you thief gold? Go give Juju Ekwensu mama. Thief gold, go give Juju Ekwensu. You thief gold. Now one way they see for Juju Ekwensu neck. Now May Edoshe take trace them. Because May Edoshe trace them for that gold. Now gift wey she receive from her mother. Automatically the man she called her own. Carry gift, carry go give another woman. Can you imagine? That is how bad the world is. So May Edoshe was able to recover her gold. Some lost. But she was able to recover the one way she feel recover from Juju Ekwensu. So you see the reason why this woman dey bitter. She is very bitter. Because this is not what she bargained for. Her dream life and her reality. She was feeling she was on top of the world. Never marry me, they spend like this. What if you marry me? Juju Ekwensu believe say this her dream life which she dey live so. Say you never marry and she dey live like this. What if you marry and come introduce her to the world? Now be say she would just be queen. She was surprised when you to introduce her. That was the beginning of their downfall. Tell me how this woman want to happen. She lost everything. Everything. See her reality now. Just look. Her wish they wear, she go borrow for a movie location. This cloth we wear for here, so na rag. One singlet and one tight. You can't put this top on top. We remember. Rag na Juju Ekwensu wear for here. Rag. See you see her. Looking for there. That picture would not see you for there. So now May Edoshe they take care of her. The dressing was responsible. The dressing, they say people will address you according to how you dress. People were respecting him. Because if you come out there, his dressing and everything balanced. See Anna, see the way it be. This is their true reality. When May Edoshe take lock ATM bank accounts, they fall, both of them fall back at for ground. Shameful fall. If to say Juju Ekwensu no say, now so this situation will be, I dey tell you she will not come aside. She believed that she will move into her Jamashon. She will stay there. She also believed that you owns everything. But now her eyes don't clear. That's why she's bitter. That's why she's angry. That's why May Edochie need to give them a long distance. Because if she have anything to attack that woman, she will do it. She not go waste time. They lost a lot of things. Everything where they do, they collect her back. When I tell una say May Edochie not be a woman where they play with. Don't play with that woman. The last person you want to look for trouble is May Edochie. Those are years of quietness. By the time you start paying for it, don't say May Edochie, why now, why? No. When she come for you, get ready. Because she's going to come for you legally. Not be Juju Ekwensu where they fly for night, they pass war, they enter people hustle. She will come for you legally. Hey, my people, things are really happening. That is how Juju Ekwensu destroyed Sia. Now say, see the difference. I don't need to explain for now. Una see the difference. This is what they are living now. Feeding from hand to mouth, pretending as if all is well, and seeing the queen of the house rising up. She rise up because she claimed back everything that you people stole from her. Her person go dey work hard. The man where you put for house go carry your money till they take care of another woman. To the extent May Edochie go buy used car. She buy used car, say no, I don't want to spend this money. That money you took it. Go use and buy car for Juju Ekwensu. Thank God say the season. One that shall never end. What do you guys think? Leave your comments in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. God bless you. Inshallah.